What if your bathroom remodel felt less like chaos and more like calm and care? Hi, I'm Briana Heatherington, founder of Calm Water Bath. I live right here in South Jersey. I grew up here. My family is here, and I'm a homeowner here too. This community means so much to me, and that's a big part of why I started this company. For the last 10 years, I've had the opportunity to work in the home improvement industry and help companies throughout the nation think more intentionally about the homeowner experience. I've seen what works and what doesn't. And I've seen what homeowners truly need and care about. And what I realized is this: people don't just want a finished project. They want to feel cared for, listened to, heard, and valued throughout this experience. They want clear communication, they want honesty and transparency, and they want you to communicate the entire process with clarity. They want less disruption and they want peace of mind. That's what led me to create Calm Water Bath. I'm also an author, podcast host, meditation guide, yoga instructor, mindset coach, leadership coach, and entrepreneur. In every part of my life, my work has been rooted in service, helping people create better lives, better experiences, and becoming the best version of themselves. So when I started Calm Water Bath, I wanted it to reflect that same intention. We are a woman-owned company serving South Jersey homeowners with one-day bath transformations that are designed to feel simple, calm, beautiful, clean, and supportive from start to finish. Because in a world that already feels so chaotic, busy, and noisy, your home should be a place that gives something back to you. And the bathroom is one of the only spaces you use every single day in real solitude. It's where your day begins and it's where your day ends. It's where you reset. The space matters. Our intention is not just to remodel bathrooms, it's to create more peace, calmness, ease, and comfort in your everyday life. If that speaks to you, I love for you to follow along, subscribe, and reach out when you're ready. We'd be honored to serve you.